We're aware. We won't comment beyond saying we certainly have never been involved in any shootings, murders, or any acts of violence. We took responsibility for our actions on a particular day, in that having or being in possession of a firearm, and that is the end of the comments we are prepared to make at this time.
Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button. Country boss, country gal, 306, undocumented, Trinity boss, where you there? Oh, me don't hear nothing from you. Silent, nuclear, all of the crew. Let me big up the people them from Guyana, Jamaica, United States, Canada, England, Germany, St. Kitts, Nevis, Cayman Islands, Belize, and the whole Caribbean we are watching. A whole heap of people are watching. Let's move on. Now, look at the screen in front of you. This is something I'm going to go over before. I do some research and I talk to some people. And I get right to the point. I feel like Tommy Lee will come out of jail. I feel like the police then I wait him out. Just like cartel with fainting. But me feel like the police them have a charge Tommy Lee Sparta for them 2 money I think. Now, I am not a member of law enforcement, but I do have extensive information and insight and experience in certain things. And to me, all the signs are pointing to Tommy Lee Sparta gonna be getting charged. Now, things can happen where him not get charged. For example, speaking in a legal situation. Now, if him give up who him get the gun from, you understand? Then that will not make him get charged. He can work out a deal with the police and like that. Or if the police then decide not to charge him. Really and truly, those are the 2 legal options. No, there's a third option. There is a third option. And the option they call corruption under the table. Where him can pay and dirty police boy there and then look the other way. You understand? So those are the 3 options. Now, I feel like the Jamaica, the police them, majority of them do a terrible job. But I feel there's a set of police like the one them know where the Klansman trial and them thing there that's really stepping up their game. Tommy Lee lawyer come out and he just make a statement say him client don't do nothing rare. Him just plead for the GUN. But to me, there is more going on. Now, him can take a 3-year deal and give up the man, or give him the gun, or give up the information. But when you have a machine will lick down 2 people like that, and then the ballistics come back and check say, that thing they do it, there is no way you're not gonna be charged. I know people don't want to hear this, and them all say, boy, countryman, rate, but just a break down the law. Because enough of you sit down in a nice living room and watch the news from a point of view. None of them never go jail. Even Tommy Lee them not understand badness and awful flex. You see me I say? So me I break down the law and educate people about the system. The law is the law, you know. You understand? The law is pretty much everywhere. Some places it's a little bit more different in the extreme. And we can name a place, China, but it is still similar. Because the law is the law. And people have rights. And the government have the rights to prosecute, and people have the right to defend themselves. So there is no way I can see this case just go away. So unless Tommy Lee Sparta, legal team, Donna U. Martin, wanna see him picture and hear him voice at the front, can work out a deal, it's gonna be a problem for Tommy Lee. Because Tommy Lee, the police them has been on him since 2014 when him and a youth were traveling in a car uptown and the man wanted for murder and them things, and then them go to one apartment, go search it and find things, and it's just so much on him. And him and Vibes Cartel, the both of them is in a very, very sticky situation. So, yeah, I just wanted to update the public on this, that I think Tommy Lee Sparta is going to be charged with them 2 man that slap with. And that's my opinion. It's not a fact. It's my opinion. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And hit your notification button. Check out the Patreon page. I'm going to put up some video up there where people can check out. If you have to be 18 and over to check out some of them pictures there. Everybody big up themselves. I hope you had a good Thanksgiving in America, who they America, and who not the America, I hope you had a good day. And yeah, Tommy Lee, I think it's sticky, and I think they're gonna charge you. And Countryman was the first to say this. Countryman, I'm out. Peace.